Welcome back. We are continuing to get you live visuals of what's happening in the parliament. The Lok Sabha has been adjourned till noon. Let's cut across to the Rajya Sabha.
Is under doubts and
leader of the opposition is expected to confine to the issue. No, sir, sorry, sir. Sorry, please, sir. Sir, बैठिए.
Sir, please sit down.
Take your seat. Nothing will go on record. Dr. Jitendra Singh. Dr. Jitendra Singh.
Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 3, bracket 1 in today's list of business. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Professor S.P. Singh Baghel.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business in Hindi and English.
Honorable members, announcement regarding BSc. I have to inform honorable members that the Business Advisory Committee in its meeting held on 27 June 2024 has allotted time for government business as follows. Discussion on the motion of thanks on the President's address. 21 hours. Honorable members, these 21 hours have to be utilized for issues you seek to raise. It will be walking away from your constitutional obligations when you can discuss right away. Honorable members, I have to inform honorable members that the panel of vice chairpersons for this session has been reconstituted and the details are as follows. I have continued with the practice to have 50% of our honorable women members as part of the panel. Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, Ghanshyam Tiwari, Narayan Das Gupta, Rajni Ashok Rao Patil, Sonal Man Singh, Medha Vishram Kulkarni, Sujit Kumar, Fozia Khan. Honorable members, Shri Sudhanshu Trivedi to move that an address be presented to the President in the following terms. That the members of the Rajya Sabha assembled in this session are deeply grateful to the President for the address which he has been pleased to deliver to both houses of Parliament assembled together on June 27, 2024.
Mahoday.
Sir, today when the new Lok Sabha has been constituted, the Honorable President has delivered an address to the joint session of the Parliament, and I stand here to express my thanks to the Honorable President for delivering this address. Sir, I would like to speak point-wise on the address made by the Honorable President. Sir, in the first 3 points that the address contains, the Honorable President has spoken about the reconstitution of Lok Sabha, and because she has also mentioned that this is going to be the first Lok Sabha during the Amrit Kal. This is also going to be the first Lok Sabha after the inauguration of new Parliament building, and she has also underlined the fact that this election was a crucial election, and that was about affirming the policy and intention of the government, and our party, they have shown that what kind of commitment we have towards the people, and how we have not changed our ideology and policies in the 73 years that of our existence. We have never changed our stance on any policy related matters. On the other hand, the opposition has been changing its stance time and again with regard to various policies and ideology.
मैं कंटिन्यू कर सकता हूं. इसलिए
Honorable members, those of the members who are present in the well, I will be constrained to name the members. I will be constrained to name the members who are present here. Sagarika Ghosh. Is this, have you come to this house, Sagarika Ghosh, for this purpose? Nothing will go on record, nothing will. Saket, you are virtually becoming a nuisance to yourself. You are virtually becoming a nuisance to yourself. And Mr. Derek O'Brien, you are becoming a director. You are becoming a director. The House will meet at 12 noon today.
So after the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha also being adjourned after the opposition leaders continued to chant slogans in the floor of the House. So the response, the reply to the President Draupadi Murmu's address now kicking off yet again with a stormy session as the opposition leaders continued to raise objections in the Lok Sabha as well. The opposition continued to chant slogans, after which it was adjourned till 12. Similar scenes being witnessed in the Rajya Sabha as well as the opposition continued to raise several issues, including the NEET controversy, saying that there should be a discussion on it. In fact, the opposition also spoke about NEET being one of the biggest issues facing the country. Rahul Gandhi, as he was entering the parliament, said that the Congress and the opposition is going to raise the issue.
आपको पूर्व में बता चुका हूं कि आप विषय राष्ट्रपति भाषण में रखें. अभी आपका
नहीं सर, हम
रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा, इसलिए मेरा आग्रह है.
हिंदुस्तान के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको हम जॉइंट मैसेज देना चाहते थे.
हाँ दें आप.
सुनिए जॉइंट मैसेज देना चाहते थे ऑपोजिशन और सरकार के साइड से कि इस मुद्दे को हम जरूरी मानते हैं और इसीलिए हमने सोचा था कि आज स्टूडेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट करने के लिए हम नीट पर डिस्कशन करें.
ठीक है, आप
डेडिकेटेड डिस्कशन. अब बात यह है कि दो फोर्सेस हैं. एक तरफ
नहीं माने, ओके. सभा पटल पर रखे जाने वाले पत्र आइटम नंबर 3 श्री अर्जुन मेघवाल जी.
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष जी. मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्य.
So you just heard Rahul Gandhi, the Congress leader, the opposition leader in the House, saying that NEET is one of the biggest issues and this is going to be raised. He said that there should be a discussion on NEET, and the sloganeering continued, after which both houses of the parliament have now been adjourned. The Lok Sabha till 12, the Rajya Sabha also being adjourned after the opposition leaders continued to raise the issue of NEET. In fact, Rahul Gandhi, speaking in the floor of the House, said that NEET is one of the biggest issues. It pertains to the future of the students and we want a joint statement on the same.